Hey guys, OneManOneCamera here. Today is December 6, 2020. We're down here in front of Resorts World Las Vegas to take a look at their brand new sign they have. And as we can see, the sign is already branded with the Conrad and Hilton, which is nice, which lets folks know that, hey, you know what? These two hotels will be part of this structure or this complex. Now, I'm not sure about the size of that sign, and I'm not sure how it compares to the sign in front of Sahara, but I think the Sahara sign may be bigger. I could be wrong, but I believe it is bigger. Next up, we have the beginnings of our 19,000 square foot video screen on the East Tower. And as you can see, let's get a close-up of that real quick. And as you can see, the panels are being installed. Now, some panels seem to have holes in them and some panels don't. Not sure why. If anyone has an idea or if anyone knows why, please let us know in the comments section below. Now, the pre-work has already been done on this side of the building, and now just waiting for those black panels to be installed. I wonder how long it will take before we are able to see a video being shown on this screen. Hopefully not too long. Now here are the bollards. Now, as you can see, there's a curve in these bollards, and that is because they are installing, that's the right word, they are creating two driveways going into the Peppermill parking lot. I guess one will be to enter and one will be to exit. And they are also putting up new pedestrian crosswalk signals for people to cross those driveways, which was kind of surprising to me, but I guess they expect heavy traffic to try to protect people. So I will draw a little red box around those signals pretty quick. And as you can see, those are crossing right there. They also put up a new signal across the street in front, from here across the street in front of Resorts World. And I originally thought that they would have a bridge. I guess I was wrong on that. Now this view of the East Tower, it looks dirty. It looks very dusty. Makes you want to get a big towel and wipe everything down. But in the evening time, you can't tell. And I guess if you're far enough away, you probably can't tell either. But as we are close to it, it's very apparent the place needs a good scrubbing. This is just a plain ordinary view taken from in front of, I think, Denny's or Walgreens, of the side facing the strip. Work is going on. This is a Sunday, and I didn't hear any construction going on at all. And I didn't see anybody on the site. And don't forget, this place is due to open up mid-2021, and so let's hope everything goes well. Now here we are near Tacos Al Pastor, and they are redoing the sidewalk, which I guess part of the whole revamp of this area. It's also going on in front of Tacos El Gordo, making everything look nice and tidy. Now on this day, I brought my zoom lens with me because I wanted to get a look at those rectangles which are behind the 100,000 square foot screen. And I think like other people were kind of surprised to see those things, but I guess that will be the way for the guests to look out of their window. I am not sure of the dimensions because it's hard to judge when you're far away and using a camera with the zoom lens. Hard to judge exactly how big these things are. If anyone knows the dimensions of the rectangles, do let us know in the comments section. Here are just some palm trees which are in front of the 220,000 square foot pool area. Just want to get a shot of those. Now let's check these little roofs out. Now I think maybe a nod to the Asian heritage of the Genting group, because those are like Asian style roofs. And then I want to get a shot of the Las Vegas Convention Center. It's fully spelled out. Now this is just a short video. I was down here to take a look at the sign. That was my main point, my main goal. And afterwards I went over to Circus Circus because I wanted to see if they were having those those free shows up on the Midway. And they are. So I saw a trapeze show, and I'll put the clip of that. That will just about do it for today, you guys. Anyway, like I always say, if you see me outside, say hello, and I will say hello back. Take care wherever you are, and have a great day.